Obsidian Rouge opens with a radiant and floral blend of Tunisian orange blossom, jasmine sambac and Tunisian neroli, creating a bright, fresh and slightly citrusy start. The heart reveals a rich exotic combination of Indian tuberose and cacao pod, adding depth and a hint of creamy warm sweetness. As the scent settles, the base brings in earthy and smoky elements, featuring Indonesian patchouli leaf, ambroxan tobacco and Haitian vetiver, which provide a grounding sensual and slightly resinous finish. The overall composition is luxurious, complex and warm with a balance of floral, sweet and woody notes. Performance elements of Obsidian Rouge. Longevity. The combination of deep bass notes like patchouli tobacco and vetiver along with ambroxan ensures excellent longevity, allowing the fragrance to last throughout the day and into the evening. Sillage. The fragrance features a moderate to strong sillage, with a rich and complex blend of florals, tobacco and woody notes providing a noticeable yet elegant trail. Projection. The floral top notes and the warmth of tuberose and cacao in the heart give it a solid initial projection, which gradually softens as the base notes become more prominent, maintaining a lasting presence without being overpowering. Versatility. This fragrance's sophisticated blend of floral, sweet and earthy notes makes it suitable for both day and night wear, especially in cooler weather or formal occasion. The tobacco and vetiver give it a luxurious, opulent quality that can enhance special events. Season. Best suited for fall and winter due to its warm and deep base, but the fresh floral top notes also allow it to be worn in spring, especially in the evenings. Style. The fragrance exudes an aura of elegance and sensuality, combining modern sophistication with a classic allure, perfect for someone who wants to leave a lasting impression. Mood. Confident, refined and alluring. The floral top notes provide a fresh, uplifting start, while the warm and woody base notes offer a sense of depth, comfort, and seduction. Type. This fragrance can be categorized as an oriental floral with elements of woody and gourmand. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply 0.5 ml per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only, and do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.